Hi, I'm Steve from TechnoWorks, and today I want to talk to you about defaulting an NX or Reliance security system to get it back to the factory programming code. If you don't have the master code or the programming code and you want to add a card like the Comnav or similar, or change some programming in the panel, without the installer code you can't do that. This may happen if you bought a property that has a Reliance or NX system fitted and you don't actually have access to that code. This is your only way to get it back. When you do this process, it will remove all programming. It will delete all codes out of the system. It will also remove any programming that was previously in there, so zone types like fire, if smoke detectors are connected to zones, or if panic buttons are connected in somewhere, they will need reprogramming back into the system for them to work properly. So this process is quite simple. If your keypad is located away from the main panel, which it most likely is, you may need a second person to assist you. So we start the process by getting into the box, removing the battery, disconnect one of the battery leads, turn off the power to the system. So now the keypad should be completely dead. The system's in a powered down state. What we do is when we turn the power back on, we have 10 seconds to type in 971300, which is the reset code to reset back to factory. So we turn the power on, keypad comes to life, we type in 971300. And what this does is this takes it back to the actual factory settings, so we can basically now get into the programming of this panel using the factory code. So let's just try that, see if we can actually get in. So the process is to get into programming is star 8 9713 0#. The arm light and the service light's flashing, which signifies we're actually in device 0, which is the main panel, and we're actually in program mode, so we can do any programming or program any devices. So just remember, when you do this process, it will delete all user codes and all other user programming that was in the panel, but this is the only way for you to recover the installer code so you can add devices. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been a helpful video.